Sorry for that break, small break. So see, these are the things. One more thing that we have, we were actually talking about supply market analysis, also called as Kajik matrix in supply chain management, which is an important concept which people should know. And lastly, there is one topic called as network design and network operations in supply chain management. So in supply chain management, what is a network? If you know what is a network, immediately you'll understand what is network design and what is network operations. See, the supply chain management, the framework of supply chain management is what is network. We know in supply chain there are suppliers, there are manufacturers, there are distributors, there are customers. All of them are linked to each other. And between them, there is material flow. I'm writing it as MAT. There is also information flow. I'm writing as INFO. So this entire setup is what is called as a network in supply chain, or network of people and the network of material and information. Are you all listening? Yes or no? Can you all see the board? Can you see the board?
Yes, sir.
So network in supply chain management means all the people who are connected with these arrows, and material and information flow that is flowing among them is what is a network. So what is network design and what is network operation? See, for a company, if you are maintaining a supply chain, in the supply chain, how many suppliers should be there, how many distributors should be there, who are your targeted customers, deciding all this is what is called as a network design. What should be the network? What should be the design of your network? Should you have a supplier or no supplier at all? Should you have a distributor, no distributor at all? Deciding all that is what is a network design. Okay, yes or no? Network, this is a network. Small, every individual or every component in the supply chain is called as a node, N-O-D-E. So the link, how many links should you have in your nodes is what is network design. Network operations means when you have distributors and suppliers, in between I told you, you may also have warehouse. You may have warehouses and you also need transportation. So how many warehouses you need, what should be the mode of transport, deciding all that will come under network operations. So network design, how many people should be there in your network is what is network design. Operations is warehouse and transportation methodologies that you follow in your supply chain will come under network operations. Okay, did you get it? Yes or no?
Yes.
What is a network in supply chain? What is a network in supply chain? What is a network in supply chain?
Connecting all nodes.
Yeah, connecting all the nodes, including the material flow and information flow, or all the various links in the supply chain between suppliers, manufacturers, distributors, and customers, along with the material flow and information flow in the supply chain, is what is called as a network. Network design talks about how many of them should be there. Network operations talks about what quantities, how many warehouses, or what should be the mode of transport. Everything is talked about in network operations. So these are the important things that you have in supply chain management for your syllabus. You have any doubts so far, you can ask. I thought for 5 minutes, I will tell you what we discussed from the beginning. But it's already 4:15. We exceeded 15 minutes of our time. Any doubts you have, you can ask.
No, sir.
No doubts? See, in case if you have doubts, you can reach out to me. I'm sharing my email ID here in the chat window, as well as I'll be there in the WhatsApp group. Okay, did you get my email ID? These are my email IDs. If anyone has any doubt, you can reach out to me. I am there in the WhatsApp group as well. Can you all see the mail ID in the chat window?
No, sir.
You cannot see the mail ID? No?
No, sir.
Let me just share it again.
They share to everyone.
Okay, did you all get it?
Yes, sir.
Those are my Sunstone and my personal mail IDs. I'm also there on the WhatsApp group. I'll be happy to help you all in the subject in case you have any doubts. As well as I'll be happy to help you all in terms of analytics if you have any doubts in analytics, because